All right, so the radiator's on and all the hoses are connected now. All I had to do was add this hose right here. I used to have a bent hose, but just got a hose, hooked that up. I had to make that bracket right there that goes to the engine. I just got a piece of aluminum and bent it. You can see, and it holds the bottom. And then I had to take some off of the frame where it mounts here because this was narrower than the original one. But it's on, everything's secure. And then I used to have this as my radiator overflow catch. And you can see right there, used to have a spot on the old radiator where it was a bolt that would screw this on. So it sat in there like that, you know, but this radiator's wider now, so I don't even think that would fit on if I wanted to, because I don't think my fairings would cover it. It barely clears with this new wider radiator, but it is shorter. So I came up with this. Hose comes from down, it goes around the frame, it comes back down into here. It has a tube inside of here, you can see it, it'll puke out there. I made a little vent hose, or a little vent hole right here, so. And then I put some Velcro on here, keep it from going back and forth, and then I got these little Velcro straps. And it doesn't puke out much anyways, not like I'm going on long rides with this bike, so just something to keep the coolant, if it does puke out, from going onto the ground. And I think that will work fine for right now, so I come up with a better idea, but maybe that might be all I need, I don't know. Pretty simple. And now it's just got to get plugging all the wire and harness in and get everything going. Hopefully I'll get the bike started this weekend.